In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the Toss and Creative Kids Learning Academy won and decided to send Naggo Head Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock, we begin with Naggo Head Primary Bible Knowledge in the Bible, who asked this question: Have you considered my servant Job?
Abraham.
Incorrect. It was God. Bible Knowledge Creative Kids in the Bible, who asked this question: Am I my brother's keeper?
Cain. Cain.
That's correct. Naggo Head Science. What is the name given to any disease caused by a germ, such as a virus? Time has passed. Would you like to try Creative Kids?
Yes, please. Infectious disease. Infectious disease.
That is correct. Science, still with you, Creative Kids. What is the name given to a germ that causes diseases such as cholera?
Bacteria. Bacteria.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual question. Now go ahead, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dr. Strong.
Sorry?
Dr. Strong.
Incorrect. It's Paul Buchanan, PNP candidate in the 2025 general elections. Local affairs, a visual question for you, Creative Kids. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Cora Ann Robertson Sylvester.
Incorrect. It's Joan Gordon Webley, PNP candidate in the 2025 general elections. English language, now go ahead. Spell tangible.
Tangible. Tangible.
That's correct. English language, Creative Kids, spell phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Now go ahead. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear.
Incorrect. It's Captain Gantu. Television, a visual question. Creative Kids, look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Mr. Kelly.
Incorrect. It's Cobra Bubbles from Lilo and Stitch. General knowledge, now go ahead. What is the smallest island in the Greater Antilles?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Correct. General knowledge, Creative Kids, what is the largest country in the Greater Antilles?
Cuba. Cuba.
That's right. Social studies, now go ahead, was the William Grant Park in downtown Kingston, Jamaica, named after an artist, trade unionist, or sports icon?
Trade unionist.
Trade unionist is correct. Creative Kids, social studies was the Garvey Maceo High School in Jamaica, named after Marcus Garvey and a revolutionary leader in Venezuela, Cuba, or Haiti?
Cuba. Cuba.
Correcto. Music, now go ahead. How many notes comprise a musical scale?
5.
Incorrect. 8. Music, Creative Kids. What is the name for a series of 8 notes occupying the interval between 2 notes?
Octave.
Octave.
That's correct. Now go ahead. Mathematics. What is the value of the Roman numerals M, D, X, V, I?
2,526. 2,526.
That's correct. Mathematics, Creative Kids. What is the value of the Roman numerals M, L, X, V, I?
1,966.
1,966.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Now go ahead. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Asafa Powell. Asafa Powell.
Incorrect. It's Orlando Bennett, Jamaican hurdler. Sports, a visual question. Creative Kids, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rashid
Broadbell.
Rashid Broadbell.
Jamaican hurdler, that's correct. Now go ahead, and we don't have time. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Naggo Head Primary on 4 and Creative Kids Learning Academy on 9. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Turn studying into a game. Time yourself or compete with a friend on flashcards. A useful tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.